I'm on a motorbike trip with my dad. It's been a full long year and we decided to take 4 days to travel places we haven't gone, to explore, to bond over the passion that we both love, which is riding motorbikes. Alright, so route plan. We left Cape Town and then went through Paarl, and we were going to do Bainskloof Pass and then spend the night in Tulbagh for day 1. Day 2 we'd head through Ceres, go past Berg where we do our tyre pressure, and then head off-road all the way up until just before Sutherland, and then stay the night at Komst guest farm. Then day 3 we would head down off-road again and go through Lainsburg, and then do the incredible Seweweekspoort pass, and then stay just outside of Ladismith. The route here says we were going to do off-road again. Actually decided to go on tyres. We were very tired in the end and stopped for a lovely coffee in Barrydale, and then gradually made our way home for day 4. So day 1, starting in Cape Town, we have planned 4 days of epic riding. And I have just finished my varsity exams, and Dad needed to make use of his leave, and so did I. So we thought, what better way to spend a weekend than on 2 wheels in the middle of nowhere. For our first day, we are leaving Cape Town and doing Bainskloof Pass to stop and have a pint at the top for lunch. The weather was absolutely perfect, not a cloud in the sky or a breath of wind. Later we would spend the night camping at Vrygeleken guest farm, nestled in the mountains of Tulbagh. It really is incredible. I actually have been here before on a solo trip, but I've been so keen to take my dad here and share the beautiful experience with him.
This is good. So Dad's been riding for about a year and a half. Oh, that's beautiful. He's been riding, about a year and 8 months. And he's 47? Sorry Dad if I didn't get your age right. But he's on a 1200GS. He has come so far, and he's like gone out of his comfort zone completely. Our friends can testament that it's incredible how far he's come in such a short amount of time. It's harder to learn things when you're older. I think it's like, I'm young, I'm fresh. But yeah, Dad's been incredible. The way he's like tackled this whole thing, even though he loves it and hates it at the same time when it comes to scary off-road stuff. It's done amazing, he really has. Quite special to have a father who rides bikes with his son, And we're here, Vrygeleken farm, where we're staying first night. Waiting for Dad to come, looking ever so good on his GS.
So, as per our usual routine on our trips, Dad has made a chicken tikka masala curry that we usually just heat up on the gas stove. And this has become tradition, and tradition dies hard. Tradition also means that as the son, I have to make sure that the campsite is perfect, from the tent to the bikes to the chairs. And as you can see, Dad is already reclined in his chair for the evening, while I put in the labor to get the campsite all lovely. Good morning, day 2. We rose to find some incredible mist as we left Tulbagh and went through the 2 mountain passes of Ceres. This would be our last fuel stop until we reached Sutherland. And leaving Ceres, we would go past Berg and hit off-road, where we would lower our tire pressure in order to have more grip and to reduce the risks of having a puncture. From Berg, we would go through Katpakkies Pass and then descend the mountain plateau to have lunch at Tanko-Pastel.
Can you help me? I'm just going to use my knife, yeah. What were you on?
2.3, so just take a little bit out.
You're on 2.3, I'm going to go 2.
Just not too much, eh? Don't slice it. Slice you. Okay, Charlie? Yeah.
Okay. We can always just stop and see.
Yeah.
How much are you on the front? I mean on the rear? 2.8. Okay, tire's done. So we can just ride and then stop and see when it's good. Come on. Get to the top of this pass. Wow. Wow. What a view. Man, but looking cool. You know when Adam says Rodney and I hurtling across the desert? You and me, Bob, hurtling across the desert. So it's tar until the top and then goes down off-road again after the top, okay.
So we had a quick stop at Tanko-Pastel in the Karoo for some lunch to just rest, freshen up, and then get back on the road. We had some very lovely toasted sandwiches, although it was the most expensive toasted sandwiches we have ever had in our lives. It was still nice to just relax, recover some strength, eat some food, and get on our way again to Sutherland for our second night.
Bye bye, Tanko-Pastel. the end of the dirt road. We meet the car now until Sutherland, so all the modes go rogue. You good? You enjoy?
So, as mentioned, our tradition is we have a curry on night 1 that we heat up, and then night 2, 3, 4, whatever it is, we will stop in the shops to grab some incredible meat. So, this time we bought some rump steak, some vors, some bread, and some cold beers on our way through to Sutherland. Then we would head to Aitkom's guest farm for night 2.
Look at that, more windy. I could do this pass 100 times in a day. As the sun duty is the gate. And every single sun can relate to this one. Gate duty. Gate duty. So we've just turned into the tunnel for Uitkomst. So it's about a 4k off-road trip now to Uitkomst. There we go again. Gate duty again. Gate duty is complete, pretty much. I'm gonna go and close it afterwards, obviously. This is how you do it with the father and son. How it always works. Dad's probably gonna laugh at this when he sees this, because his commas have just died. Oh, he's gone. Dad just left me. Oh, that has got to be hilarious and so ironic. He just left. Oh man, you gotta laugh. You just gotta laugh. Okay. This is just fascinatingly beautiful. There isn't really much words to describe how something so barren can be so stunning. I think we could have got better, Ham.
Amazing. This is incredible. What a place to be.
Let me just turn the camera around.
Uitkomst guest farm.
At bikes. This is just out of this world. And the bathrooms are just insane. So we've got cold beers, we're going to drink them now.
Uitkomst guest farm. Yeah, it exceeded all expectations. Hosted by Rian, we have never had such hospitality. He provided free firewood, a braai grid, and even recliner chairs. This honestly was better than a 5-star hotel in my very biased opinion. We ate great food, and dived into some beautiful chats about the year we had, the struggles, the joys, everything in between. As we finished the night off well with a cup of coffee with some very lovely chocolate. So day 3 morning was so lovely. We woke up slowly, made flapjacks and packed up slowly as well. We knew it was going to be a long day, but what we didn't realize was that it was going to be our longest day, heightened by the fact that it was off-road all the way up until our next campsite. We weren't traveling at normal highway speeds. This meant that we weren't able to stop, rest, enjoy nature and have a cup of tea. We just had to keep on going. What we were extremely excited for though was Seweweekspoort pass. It is voted the most beautiful pass in South Africa, and it really did live up to expectations. It was incredible.
Nice. Getting there, getting almost a side-to-side action.
Between Lainsburg and Ladismith, Seweweekspoort.
Beautiful. That's going to be good. Wow, look at that.
These videos just do not do justice. The mountains tower over you and you wind through this valley for around 10 minutes. It's just breathtaking. It really is.
I got that on camera! The good son wouldn't put that on the video, would he? Would he? But am I the good son? But I really want to put that in the video. I think I have to, Dad. I think I have to. Look at that little place over there. I think we're going to like this campsite a lot. Oh wow. Thank you. I would go up. We are on the water. No way.
So for our third night, we are camping at Karoo Valley Guest Farm, hosted by George and Lucille. They very kindly provided us a braai grid and got some wood, and then I ran off to the shops to go and grab some incredible rump steak again, and vors and some cold beers. Day 3 was special. It's one of those days where you look back and you just want to do it all over again. The roads were wide enough that we could ride side by side for most of the way, and usually we are riding behind each other in order to leave room for cars, as the roads are much smaller. And I'm not sure why, but when riding side by side, we just bonded. It was incredible. It was more like we were sharing this than ever before. We were in it together, side by side. This whole trip has been about father and son, and while the way that my dad and I bond is through motorbikes, it might not be the same for everyone. It's the motorbikes that are a means to an end, but it's what we share together. That's what makes it special.
Last fuel stop. So sad but joyful moment. We fill up for the last time until home.
These trips are just so important for me. To slow down, enjoy the scenery, smell the flowers a bit, and spend time with loved ones. That's what it's all about. So in the middle of December, myself, my dad, my best friend and his dad, we are planning a 1.5 week long adventure together to go and explore, starting from Cape Town. We'll most likely head east and then do a loop back. So that is something that we are extremely looking forward to. It's going to be incredible. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I loved making it. It's been so special to look back on the memories, and something that I will never forget. So until then.